On to problem number 6 of the MIT integration qualifying exam time 15 is the definite integral from x equals to 1 to x equals to e of x times open bracket natural logarithm of x close bracket squared. So this is a fairly easy problem. Let's see how we may be able to solve it. So sorry, that's not 1. So this is a definite integral from x equals to 1 to e of x open bracket natural logarithm of x squared. I think the easiest thing is to let u be equal to natural logarithm of x such that du dx equals to 1 over x, and that means that x du is dx, and from here e to the power u is equals to x. That means that from here we have e to the power u du is equals to dx, right? And then limits as from x to u, x equals to 1, lower limit, natural logarithm of 1 is 0, natural logarithm of e is 1. So our problem, 1 to e of x, natural logarithm of x squared dx is equals to 1, we said is 0, e we said is 1, x we said is e to the power u, log u is the same as u squared, and then we have eu du. So this becomes u squared e to the power 2u 0 to 1 du. So 0 to 1 u squared e to the power 2u is the same as 0 to 1 u squared, the derivative of a half. So this here, the derivative of a half e to the power 2u is the same as e to the power 2u. So using integration by parts, if you have v, the product of function v and derivative of u, integrate that, you get product of u and v minus u dv. So, and if we consider u to be half e to the power 2u, then it means this integral of ours becomes a half u squared e to the power 2u from 0 to 1 minus the derivative v is u squared, so when you differentiate that we get 2u, so 2 times a half we get 1, so we have u e to the power 2u du 0 to 1. Okay, so we have a half u squared e 2u 0 1 minus u e 2u du 0 to 1. This becomes a half 1 squared e to the power 2 minus a half 0 e to the power 2 times 0 minus 0 1 u du. This becomes a half e squared minus, again we do integration by parts here, we have a half power 2u derivative of e to the power 2u is 2 e to the power, so that cancels, so we have e to the power 2u 0 1 du. So close bracket. So this becomes a half e squared minus, open brackets, we have a half 1 e to the power times 1 minus a half 0 e to the power 2 0. So this is 0 plus 0 1 e to the power 2u. So realize this and that would cancel. And so our problem now reduces to 0 to 1 e to the power 2. Right. So this becomes a half e to the power 2u 0 1, which is equals to a half e to the power 2 times 1 minus a half e to the power 0. So which is a half e squared minus a half, because this tends to 1. Okay. So our problem, which is integral from 1 to e of x times natural logarithm of x squared is equals to a half e squared minus a half. And that is our answer.